Today, we are going to bypass the standard industry paywalls and get you direct access to Anthropic's premium Claude Fable 5 model, and we're going to do it without entering a single piece of credit card information. This is the exact result you will achieve by the end of this workflow, a fully functional, playable tic-tac-toe application running entirely on your local machine, built from a single prompt. The method relies on a specific developer loophole inside GitLab Ultimate. The only thing you need to make this work is a standard free GitHub account. Once you complete these steps, you lock in 30 days of unmetered, risk-free iteration time to build software prototypes. Let's get your workspace set up. Head over to GitLab's login page. Instead of creating a new account from scratch and waiting for email verification, click the Continue with GitHub single sign-on button. Right after authenticating, the system will try to route you into an enterprise onboarding sequence. We need to avoid this to get straight to the developer tools. When the Profile Setup wizard appears, open the Goal dropdown. Select the option that says, I want to explore GitLab. This specific choice acts as a bypass. It skips the corporate sales track entirely and instantly unlocks the main dashboard. Now we need to force the interface to offer us the ultimate tier. To do that, click the Create a New Project tile. This will serve as a temporary dummy workspace. Click Create Blank Project. Keep all boilerplate template options unchecked. We need a completely empty environment so the AI doesn't hallucinate based on pre-existing code later on. Once the empty project loads, look closely at the information panel on the right side of the screen. You will see a small text link that says Start a Free Trial. Click it. You are now on the activation page. Fill in the required fields with placeholder text for a company name, select a country from the dropdown, and click Activate My Free Trial. The Ultimate tier is now active. Notice that the system never asked for a payment method, entirely removing the financial risk usually required for high-tier AI access. With the premium features unlocked, click your group name in the top breadcrumb navigation to abandon the dummy setup. From there, click the New Project button. Select Create Blank Project one more time to generate your actual working environment. In the project name field, type exactly what you intend to build. For this example, type tic-tac-toe and hit Create. This isolated, accurately named repository gives the AI crucial context about your final goal, which drastically reduces the chance of generation errors. Open the AI chat interface in your new project. Be aware, the platform defaults to a lower-tier model that will fail on complex, complete applications. Click the AI Model drop-down menu in the top right corner and manually override the selection to Claude Fable 5. In the chat input, tell the AI to create a tic-tac-toe game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Crucially, add the instruction, just create an index.html file. This forces all the logic and styling into one easily executable document. Hit Send and wait just a few moments while the Fable 5 model generates a structural plan for the code. The AI needs permission to write to your workspace. Click the green Approve button to grant it access to the file system. Fable 5 operates autonomously. It immediately creates a separate branch to do its writing, ensuring your main application is entirely protected from catastrophic code breaks. Once the AI finishes, navigate over to the Merge Requests tab. You'll see an active request generated by the Fable Edit branch. Open that request and click Merge. This finalizes the AI's completed code and locks it into your primary repository. Head back to your main repository overview so we can prepare to pull this code off the server. Click the Code drop-down menu on the right and select Zip under Download Source Code to pull the files directly to your machine. Extracting these files locally severs your dependency on the cloud platform. You can now execute and modify the project entirely in private. Locate the downloaded folder on your computer, extract it, and simply double-click the index.html file to open it in your browser. This is the result, a fully styled, logic-complete tic-tac-toe game generated in a single pass without you writing a line of code. You achieved this output without providing any payment information, and you now have a full 30 days of unmetered access to repeat this process. You bypass the paywall, you have the developer tools, and you have the environment to start building your own software right now.